Hello everyone, welcome back to Automobiles Cars. A beautiful sunny morning rolling into view as a sleek, compact vehicle hums into the frame, a three-wheeled wonder with a panoramic windshield, sculpted curves, and the promise of adventure on wheels. That's right, this isn't your average RV, this is the 2025 Tricycle Camper, and today we're diving deep into what makes this nimble nomad a game-changer. The camera glides around its exterior to reveal a sculpted front end where two wheels sit close together, gracefully joined by a reinforced chassis that blends form and function. The Trike design gives aerodynamic efficiency, and yet it's stable enough for long-distance cruising, thanks to advanced gyroscopic stabilization built right into the rear wheel. What does that mean? Less leaning in turns, more confidence on mountain roads, and that's just the beginning. Slide in closer to see solar panels molded into the roof, flexing slightly to catch every ray of sunlight. These seamlessly integrated panels charge a robust lithium iron phosphate battery system visible through a tinted hatch. Why LFP chemistry? Longevity: thousands of cycles without degradation, so you're powered up for years to come. Behind that, a sleek LED light strip hugs the camper's sides, illuminating pathways at night and giving the whole rig a futuristic glow. Now, follow me around to the side where folding panels open like origami. In seconds, a kitchenette emerges, induction cooktop, stainless steel sink with a foot pump water system, and clever cabinetry that stows utensils, cookware, even a compact fridge, all built into lightweight carbon fiber panels. It's microwave-sized but mission-ready. Circling back, we pop open a rear hatch. Inside is a cozy cabin, just right past all the typical RV bulk, and you'd never believe how much comfort they tucked in here. A convertible bench seat that doubles as a bed, with memory foam cushions and modular supports. Slide-out storage drawers nestle underneath, clothes, tools, books. Above, LED accent lighting and air circulation vents ensure that, whether parked under pine trees or in a tight urban lot, the cabin feels airy and inviting. See the touchscreen panel next to the door? That's your hub. Navigate energy use, heating, water tank levels. Connect your phone via Bluetooth to play music or control lighting scenes, camping chill, sunset glow, party mode. A low-power dashboard camera keeps watch while you're sleeping, or can record your road antics in HD. Let's start her up. With the push of a button, the silent electric motor awakens. A hum from the rear hub, one forward wheel grabs traction, you apply throttle, and off you go. And here's a twist. The Trike is configurable. Choose tandem mode where the passenger sits behind the driver on a pillion seat, or solo mode where that back space transforms into extra storage or a fold-out workspace. Under that seat lies a foldable workstation with power outlet and USB, perfect for